Well, hello. Williams, Philippines. Hope you're having a good day. Eh, Mine was pretty easy. It's a job. That's a good thing. Anyway, I was watching some vids, and one of the shorts I came across showed Bonnie and Clyde's car after they caught him and shot him up. Boy, I've seen it before. Uh, yeah, down in Louisiana, near where it happened. Oh God, that's she's 70 years, something like that. Back in the 30s, I think, 20s. Anyway, it was a long time ago. But yeah. Anyway, I was flipping through and I came across a video of that car being showed off. It's someplace in Vegas now, some museum there. Yeah, that's a severe case of. They decided to mess around and they found out. Yeah, you mess around with enough people and steal enough stuff from people, they get together and shoot you full of holes. Uh, yeah, it might be advisable to not be stealing stuff, but yeah, saw another one from the gangster stuff in the 20s and 30s. They had an armored Cadillac so that people couldn't shoot you up. Apparently, it was like Al Capone's or something, or he rode in it at one time. I don't know. But yeah, big, thick, heavy doors with uh, some of the early versions of bulletproof glass. And that stuff was like, huge, thick. Oh, crud. Sorry. I don't know. Does that work? I just changed this thing and didn't know how I did it. Uh, anyway. Hello. Up close and personal. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, I saw a couple of cars. Also saw an Austin Martin. Aston Martin. Yeah. They got some pretty cars in the world. It'd be nice to be able to afford one of them. But yeah, I've seen a lot of different vehicles in my life. Driven in a bunch of different ones too. But yeah, I also have a very bad case of people try to run me over. It happened last night. Somebody tries to pull out in front of me and cuts me off, and I'm slamming on the brakes so I don't run into them. Probably got, I don't know, less than 10 feet between me and them when I come to a stop. Not good. If it had been raining and the road was wet, I might have hit them. So yeah, and that was from, it was raining earlier in the day. Yeah, I don't know. There's a lot of things going on in the world, and car wrecks seem to be one of them. And I'm one of those ones that I get run over by people. I get into a lot of car wrecks. Yeah, I try to avoid those nowadays, but hey, some people just determined to jump out in front of you. Uh, might be why I'd rather have a trike over there than driving a car. In the Philippines, apparently they've got a lot of crazy driving, and I don't need any help on crazy driving. I got my own to deal with. Uh, anyway, I don't know what it is. I got over to look at plane tickets, and the website was giving me a real messed up calendar. As in, the day of the week was Wednesday, and it's supposed to be the 20th, and it wasn't showing as Wednesday the 20th, but I click on Wednesday the 20th, and when it pulls up in the system and it goes to search, it's searching like the 17th on Tuesday or Monday or Sunday. Yeah, I think they might have a problem with their website. I'm not sure. All I know is that thing definitely makes me have to stop and look. I don't know. Maybe it's just my computer. Sorry about that. Was not expecting my camera to do that to me. Now I'm all up close and personal. And I'm not sure how I did that. Oh, hey, okay. Let's go down. No more. That's it. All right. Well, there are ways of adjusting the camera, I guess. New territory. I don't think I have the program for that. I think I just have the camera plugged in, and I don't know. Maybe the camera does it all on its own. It's in the camera's software or hardware or whatever it is inside the camera. That's that Osbot something light. Seems to be a pretty good little camera. I like it. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and call this. I need to call my cousin and talk with him for a minute. Don't do that very often. I probably should. Neither one of us are getting any younger. And yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, I'm William. This is William's Philippines. I'm working toward my retirement in the Philippines come July. Yeah. Come along for the ride, the insanity of a daily vlog of hello, this is my life, and the insanity of me. Like, comment, subscribe. You know the stuff. Do it if you want to or don't. It's your choice. Not trying to tell you how to live your life. I barely want to figure mine out. Yeah. Anyway, I have a lot of good friends, food, and family. I hope your work week's an easy one. And lots of food, friends, and family, and more food. Please, more food. I'm fishing. Fish is out.